go ahead and try this home remedy as well. For toilet infection, go ahead and do this home remedy. And if you have ceased menstrual period, I know that thing is not funny, guys. Go ahead and try this home remedy. And as you try,
Drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking on.
Anything concerning women, right, it really piques my interest. Like, I really love to talk about anything to do about women when it comes to health, when it comes to taking care of our V area, you know, of our VJJ, when it comes to just taking care of our entire body. I feel like I'm really interested when it comes to anything to do with women. Of course, men are not left out, you know, and we know we women, it's very easy for us to get some kind of infections because of the way our body is being built, you know, it's really down there, it's just open, so it's like a gateway for anything to just like troop in and pop in and just get in, you know, so it's very easy for us to get infected, it's very easy for us to get infection. So for example, let's talk about like toilet infection. It's really if you are using public toilets, you know, you're always, even in your house, if you have visitors, you're using the toilet that other people come to use, you might get infected. Or even if you're not cleaning your toilet very well, you know, you're not using clean your toilet every time, you know, you're not using disinfectant to disinfect your toilet, you might get infection, you know. So in today's video, that's what brings me to today's video. I want to show us very simple remedy how we can get rid of toilet infection, how you can prevent fibroid and get rid of fibroid. And also, if you're the lady that you haven't seen your menstrual period for some time, I have someone who contacted me, you know, and she said, it's been 3 months now, I haven't seen my period, like I'm not pregnant, I've done a series of tests, I've went to the scan and nothing, and these things, like, it keeps happening. At the end of the day, like, it will take a longer time for it to come. Like, I'm very worried when I stay 3 months without having my period and I'm trying to get pregnant. Like, how does that add up? Like, it's stressful and something that I can't really do with it. I was like, I have videos on my channel, I have some few videos on how you can bring your period back, but I came across something that is very interesting. This one, guys, like, it is, if you use this home remedy, let's say you have 6 menstrual period, like a period just refuse to come, you have to make sure you're not pregnant. Take a pregnancy test, if possible go to the hospital to confirm. If you take this home remedy for 3 days, your period will just come. And even if you're not trying, even if your period, you didn't have 6 menstrual period, it has a lot of benefit. If you have fibroid, you can take this home remedy as well to prevent toilet infection. Once in a while, we as ladies, we can take this to prevent toilet infection. Like I said, it can also be in your house if you're not like cleaning very well, or if you're always using public toilet. You know, it's just good to just always clean our system to prevent us from these infections, just because the way our body is naturally, you know, very open, and everything can just troop in, like troopy, right? So I'll just go right ahead and show you the ingredients for today's video, because I don't want this video to be long. I want to keep it short. All right, you need just 2 items. You need your onion and you need your lemon. You can either use lemon or limes, depending on you which one you can lay your hands on. If you have lemon, you use lemon. If you have limes, you use limes. I'm sorry for the noise, the background noise, like, yeah, it is what it is. Like, you always hear this noise once in a while. So you need your onion, 1 big onion. You need your lemon. If you're using a lime, you can use about 2 limes, or 2 limes, because it's small, or 3 limes. And you need 1 lemon for this size of onion. And of course, you need your water. You need 1 glass of water. You have to pour in 1 glass of water. That's the items you need. So when you get these items, you peel your onion. This is a preparation, alright? I'll show you how you're going to prepare it. When you get these items, you peel your onion. You use a grater like this. You grate the onion, because you want to grate it, right? You don't want to cook it whole. Don't slice it. Don't chop it. Just grater it. Or if you have the processor that can process it like without adding water, you can do it. All right, yeah. And then you can even add water to blend. You can blend it if you want to blend it, but make sure you use the measurement of maybe 1 glass of water to blend it, right? Because we'll be needing 1 glass of water for this home remedy. After you've blended everything, you squeeze your lemon and keep it aside. You put the blended, the grind onion into a pot. You add in 1 glass of water. So if you're blending, you use water from the 1 glass, you just add in. If you didn't use 1 glass, if you use 1 glass, so then you just add in another water. All right, just put it in the pot and you put it. You bring it to heat on your fire, and then once it is heated, when you boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on when it starts boiling, you off your gas. You let it cool down a little bit. You can strain it, right? And then after you add in your lemon juice, you add in your squeezed lemon juice. When you add your squeezed lemon juice, drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, drink first in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure you stay about 1 hour before having any meal. If possible, you can stay 2 hours before. Drink it early in the morning, and make sure it's on an empty stomach. Drink everything at once. If you're taking 1 glass, this is a teacup. You're taking like 1 glass, all right? Don't drink drink everything at once, all right? When you drink everything at once, and you can wait for about 1 hour or 2 hours before you have your breakfast, all right? And you have to do this for 3 days. If you have 6 menstrual period, start doing it right away. Take this home remedy day 1, day 2, day 3, and that's it. You don't exceed 3 days. You cannot exceed 3 days for this home remedy, guys. I'm really sounding stressing, because they will still come back to this video and ask me questions like how many days, how long. I'm saying it right now in this video, right now. Take it for maximum 3 days. Not maximum, that you have to take it for 3 days, not less than 3 days, not more than 3 days. 3 days, every day you do a fresh one. Don't say you want to do a big quantity and you want to keep it in the refrigerator each morning. You want to do you want to take tangerine. No, it's better you do a fresh one, because onion, once you peel the onion, you cannot keep it. It will already, like any bacteria, it just absorbs any bacteria around it. Like onion, when you peel it, you have to make sure you use it even when you're cooking your meal. If you have the habit of always peeling onion and keeping the refrigerator and using it later, it's not advisable, because it will just like grabs all the bacteria that's around it and all that stuff. It's not more healthy. So when you do your onion, make sure you use always do the quantity that you're going to use, and make sure you use it and finish it. Do not keep it in the refrigerator. So this home remedy, don't say you want to keep it in the refrigerator. You're not going to keep anything in the refrigerator. No. You do every day fresh. Every day you do a fresh one. You take it for 3 days, and that is it, guys. If you have fibroid, go ahead and try this home remedy as well. For toilet infection, go ahead and do this home remedy. And if you have 6 menstrual period, I know that thing is not funny, guys. Go ahead and try this home remedy. And as you try this home remedy, make sure you also put everything in prayer. Like I always say, like, we are doing our part, God is going to do the rest. Try your effort, do as a human, you have to try, but leave everything in God's hand, and make sure you pray. Make sure you pray, and you believe that it's going to work for you. So guys, that will be it for this video. I hope that you're watching this video. If you're new to my channel, hey, hi, hello, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. Do not leave without hitting that subscribe button if you enjoy watching my content. I have a lot of stuff on my channel. You can go ahead and check it. Alright, I have a lot of DIY videos. Like, just check it, go to the videos and check. And make sure you turn on the post notification, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to see it. You'll be the first to see it, alright? And for my returning viewers, thank you so much for your love, for your love and your support. I see you all you guys. Thank you so much for your love and your support. And guys, that will be it for now. So until then, guys, I'll show you in my next one. Do have a great day. Bye.